No, no. See, the problem with BJP is they don't listen to their own leaders. What is Modi ji told? That misinformation is the biggest threat to democracy. What has the Chief Justice of India told? Misinformation and fake news is hampering democracy. What has the former Chief Election Commission told? He is told that the 3M, money, muscle and misinformation, is threatening the election process. And we are just trying to curtail misinformation, fake news. There is World Economic Forum reports on how fake news and fake narratives and misinformation is being used to hamper democratic processes across the world. And what are we doing illegal? We are just very clearly just stating what the information that you are reading is misinformation, malinformation, disinformation or fake news. Why is BJP so upset about it? So it looks like their factories are going to be closed. It looks like many of their BJP leaders might become unemployed.